Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? I hope you are all good. May Allah bless you. So first of all, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm thankful to you for subscribing my channel, watching me all the previous videos. Dear friends, I hope you will love and enjoy these beautiful ideas. Before get you started, don't forget to like and share this video if it is helpful for you. So please subscribe my channel for more updates related to indoor and outdoor decor tips and tricks. Here are some beautiful and wonderful designs of garden slope step. Slopes in a garden can add visual interest and create unique spaces, but they also require careful navigation. Steps are a great way to address change in elevation safely and aesthetically. Here are some things to consider for designing steps on a garden slope. I hope you will love and enjoy these beautiful ideas. If you want more and more ideas related to garden decoration, so you can tell me in comment section. I will upload a similar video and present it in front of you. Slopes in your garden can add a touch of whimsy and character, but they can also be a challenge to navigate. Fortunately, there are many creative ways to incorporate steps into your slope garden design that are both functional and beautiful. Here are some ideas to get you started, such as natural materials, steep steps, curved steps, integrated steps. Using natural materials like stone, wood, or brick can create a rustic and timeless look that blends seamlessly with your garden surroundings. Flagstone or large flagstones can be used to create wide, shallow steps that are perfect for a casual garden. If your slope is particularly steep, you may want to consider creating a series of switchback steps. Switchback steps zigzag up the slope, making them safer and easier to navigate. You can use retaining walls to create level area for each switchback. Curved steps can add a touch of elegance and formality to your garden. They are also a good option for slopes that are not very wide. You can integrate steps into your garden design by using them to create raised plantings, beds, or sitting area. This is a great way to make the most of your sloped space. If you have a dramatic slope, you can create a grand staircase that will make a real statement in your garden. No matter what type of steps you choose, be sure to follow safely the guidelines. Steps should have a uniform rise and treated. So guys, please support my channel, be connected with me. Don't forget press the bell icon. Take care.